Hey guys, Brody the Pyrotechnic. A little bit stuffed up here because I've had a cold, but we have a sparkler bomb. If you guys don't know what these are, it's basically a bunch of sparklers wrapped into a small, like, tape thing. There's about 50, 60 sparklers in here, and then the one sparkler up top is to light it. So, here goes a sparkler bomb. I would not recommend doing this at home. So, let me just find a safe spot to do this at. Here goes a sparkler bomb. Alright. Sparkler bomb. I don't know what it's gonna do. Oh, that was cool, kind of. Sweet, that was a sparkler bomb, guys.